Okay, it's not like me to make a riled up video, but I'm kind of riled up. Well, I don't know if I'm riled up, I'm just kind of shocked. I was out of coffee. I was out of Folgers coffee, and I went down to Detour to get some. And it's a beautiful, still night, and I pulled into the harbor and pulled out the camera. There was a freighter going by, and I just took a couple of pictures. There's some neat clouds in the horizon out over Drummond Island, and I'm not sure the name of the freighter, American Privilege or something like that. But anyways, and then in the background, I hear the church bells ringing, and it's still there. I don't know if there's any cars that go by. It's just really nice. So I thought I'd share it, and I brought it home, and I put it together with some shots of here in the yard when I got home, just a minute and a half long, and I upload it to YouTube, and immediately I get this copyright strike. And I thought, what in the world? So I go to my YouTube studios and I look it up, and the copyright strike is the church bells. And the copyright holder is some company, but it's the copyright material is from a song, Dear Father, the bells on a Black Sabbath song. Yeah, no idea. I don't know if it's a recording, but I've got it in the YouTube studio, and I can show it. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna attach it to this. It makes me wonder, does the church know that? And they say, here you go, back at you, Ozzy. Because I'm guessing that's an Ozzy Osbourne era song. Uh, or do they not know? Is somebody out there selling recordings of bells to churches? I'm sure that's those bells are a recording, not actually bells playing. And then if they get caught up in something, I'll put a clip in the end of this where that I took out of the YouTube studio that shows where it's at. And anyways, that's kind of interesting.